I'm Loreli Bratton and I'm an Encore Electric apprentice. So today I'm putting a fire alarm system in this hospital. A few years ago, I had a master's degree and was working very short-term jobs in anticipation of this master's degree job that I kept applying for, and was still working like temp agencies or short-term gigs like political campaigns, and at some point I just decided that I really need to do something stable. So around that time there was a billboard on the way to my house for a program that was meant to get people into the construction workforce, and it was a 1-month after work program that I ended up going to after one of my temp office jobs every day for a month. And I found that I really enjoyed some of the technical and the physical challenges of electrical work. So at some point I had enough experience that I could really choose where I wanted to be, and that's when I chose Encore, and I'm so glad that Encore saw potential in me as well. You know, it's a lot of fun. It has its challenges, of course. I find that I have to prove myself, and sometimes that's a good thing. It might make me a better worker. Apprenticeship, so far, it's awesome because you get to do so many different things. Constantly learning new things. You're constantly just almost in over your head, but that means that every single day you're becoming comfortable with a new aspect, or a new area of the building, or a new way of looking at prints, or new theory that you didn't understand before. Because that's part of what's awesome about the apprenticeship, is you see so much that you could specialize into. Yeah, I'm just really excited to learn all the different areas that I still have to touch, and then I can branch out when I'm a journeyman.